What's up, guys? Project Farmhouse here. We are going to be getting this new laminated 2x8 beam, 3 2x8s, glued together, nailed from both sides, in this position here. The goal is to add extra support in this location for this beam so we can get this guy out of here. Then we'll frame in a new wall after we get new joists and new support underneath where the permanent location is going to be. So, make some progress. Decided to go pick up some utility knives because I had such a hard time finding them in the last video, if you caught that. Yeah, I got a new wireless mic as well, so hopefully that'll help you guys hear me a little bit better. Setting my depth of cut to the same thickness as my flooring, so I'm not going too deep. I did already check underneath. There's no pipes and no cables under there, so I'm not too worried about hitting anything. I have my triple joist hanger here. I just nailed this together to represent my triple joist so I can get my level flat across so I can hang this beforehand because this is very heavy. That'll just make it way easier for me and make sure that I still have a nice level result at the end. Since this is so much heavier of a weight, I'm going to use my 3-inch nails for all of them. Before I was using 1.5 inches for the face. I was using 3-inch nails for everything. Let me show you guys this a little bit closer. So, the back side of this is actually up higher, probably 1.5 inches. So I'm going to get a piece of wood here, I'll securely fasten it to this beam, then I can go into this, going through these two, and this tab, and this tab. Then I'll probably also screw it down, make sure it's nice and secure to the beam. That'll give us the required fastening strength through here. And the beam is in. Got the beam in, nice and sturdy. Got it level all the way across. So now I'm gonna add a support from below there, and then on top I'm going to support straight up to the ceiling and support this beam on this side and remove this. I am going to now get the jack post in to support this so I can get this guy out. The real question is my house gonna cave in when I do this? Let's find out.
I'm using a laser level here to ensure that the post that I'm installing is perfectly vertical. This will be the most efficient way to transfer the weight from the load-bearing beam that I'm trying to support and transfer that down to the foundation via the post that I have installed there. I generally find that the laser level is a little faster and more accurate than using like a post leveler or a 6-foot level or something like that, because there's bolts and nuts on this that can bump that out, and it's different diameter pipes, so that could throw off the measurement as well. So I think the laser level was the best choice for this.
Oh yeah, it's nice and loose.
The day before this, I got the beam nice and loose and ready to be removed. My buddy Josh was kind enough to come over and give me a hand. And right now we are just securing a chain to the wooden beam above that would support this end of the wooden beam that we are removing. So we're going to be just starting at the other end and slowly working it down closer to the ground so we're not working over our heads.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's going to get off. Actually, you might be able to lift it up a little bit. Yeah. Genius. So smart. That thing's definitely not light. No. It's definitely lighter than I thought it was going to be, but it's still definitely heavy. Good? Good. I'm going to have less ability to hold it.
Yeah.
doing over there? Both here. You. This.
Just want to. I think we lift that guy back up, prop him up so he's not pinched in here. So this guy feels looser, and then we take it out. Because as soon as I start taking that out, it's gonna snap and it's gonna drop.
What are you so scared of?
It's snapping and it dropping.
I prepared for this one. Okay.
So go up, and once we see the chain.
Yeah. So we'll go back up with it. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, hold on, we're turning. All right. Am I good?
Yeah. You do the. I got the beam. You do the.
You're there. Better or higher? We can go up more if we need to.
No, we're good. We're free over here.
Okay. Adam, I don't like this.
Swing on.
It's not. I'm not swinging a little bit. Alright, go. Am I there?
Nope.
Yep. Okay, how are you?
I think I'm good. Am I good? I can't see it.
Yeah, you're fine. You want me to keep going? Let's get him in a good position.
It's sweating.
I know, me too.
Alright, I'm just gonna go for it.
Yeah, just go nice and slow.
Well, yeah, I'm not
Because
gonna.
my issue is just tilt.
Yep.
So.
You should be good to go down your safety.
I'm locked right there. I can't move any further. I'm gonna go.
Alright.
Okay.
That wasn't too bad.
No, that was fine. Really, honestly, we probably. No, the other part, you might have to go back up because I might be in the ceiling now.
No, you're
We're good. I'm gonna walk it and when just be over here and ready for me.
Alright.
Well, I'm gonna put it back down. I get a position.
You're good.
Let me just like have myself ready to be able to move over that way. Okay.
Yep.
Let me just get my leg over. Yep. Take the full weight.
Alright. It's not that heavy. Ready? I'm good.
Just keep on going. I can hold on to it. But we're gonna drop. 1, 2, 3. Yep.
Oh my gosh!
I knew I could handle the whole weight. I had that low. Look how big this room looks.
Well, we got the big beam down finally. Turns out my house did not cave in. Yet. So we are a couple days on and everything is holding up just fine, which tells me that we correctly installed our support post there. Big shout out to my buddy Josh for coming out and helping me do this. There's no way that I wanted to tackle that on my own. This beam was just too heavy, too long, and in a very awkward position above our heads. So definitely thank you, Josh, for coming out and giving me a hand with that. Now this took a lot more prep work and a lot more time to actually get down than you guys saw in this video. We're probably working on it for about 45 minutes, going back and forth with ideas and what to do. But we, at the end of the day, we just kind of took it slow and just did our best to stay safe. Now we're moving this beam out of the way so that in the next video you will see me installing new stud walls after I get the flooring leveled, and making some progress on that bedroom. Deadline is a month and 4 days away. I'll see you guys in the next video.